Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. I hope you all are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, which will guide you to download or install Walmart shopping and grocery app on your Android device with exciting deals and discount. Walmart shopping has been amongst the favorite holiday game plan for people. It delivers fresh home groceries to the latest tech and other everything you need. Just get started by installing Walmart shopping and grocery app on your Android device. And to do that, I would absolutely help you. First of all, just make sure you have good internet connection, then get started by clicking on Google Play Store. Now tap on the search box which is situated in the top of your screen and type Walmart, shopping and grocery, then tap on the third option that says Walmart Express. Now tap on the green button that says Install. Downloading may take some time if you have a poor internet connection, but keep some patience. Yeah, Walmart shopping and grocery application is successfully installed. Trust me, this process is among the easiest. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Comment down below for any feedbacks. Also, I'll be back with more tutorial video. Till then, take care, bye bye, see you later.